Hey YouTube, so today I'm on a mission to try and find the full sound test mode for a game called the Hyperslide. Now, Hyperslide has 4 colored discs: red, green, blue, and yellow. So basically, to get to the first part of the test mode, you need to reset the game and hold the 2 power buttons down, and it will go into the first part. So if I let go now, you'll be in the first part of the test mode. Now in this test mode, if you move the bar, you'll see the 2 lights light up, and if you take the bar off, the lights will stay on. If you have the bar in that sort of position, the lights will stay on. And now, if I put a color near the sensor, it will repeat itself.
Red, 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 red,
and you'll see the lights light up.
Red, red, red.
And then you can do the same for green.
Green, 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 green.
And it will be the same for blue.
Blue, 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 blue.
And it will be the same for yellow.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
And if I put the bar back on, the lights will go off. Or they'll stay on. Yeah, they'll go off. And you can stop it repeating the colors, so it will go like red, green, yellow, blue. And yeah, it will stop repeating.
Green, green.
So let me try and get it so it won't repeat. And if you take the bar off, you can make the light flash by touching the sensor. So this is the sensor right here. And if you press the button...
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
There we go, I stopped it repeating there. So, yeah, I managed to stop it repeating the color now.
Green, green, green.
Ah, it's still repeating!
Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green.
There we go.
Green.
And then I can just do this.
Red, red, red.
Oh, it's still repeating. Let me put the bar back on real quick.
Blue, blue, yellow, 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 yellow.
Yeah, I can't seem to find the full sound test mode for the Hyperslide. So, now that the bar's on, if I let it off, it will light it up. And you see the lights move. And if you slide it color through the sensor,
Green, green.
it stops repeating. Like, it won't loop. So it will go like green, green, green at the start, but then it won't loop.
Green, green, green.
Oh, it loops there. Yeah, so you get pretty cool lighting effects. And, yeah, hopefully there'll be some very clever electronics engineer who will access the full sound test mode for the Hyperslide. And then we'll be able to get some direct samples off from this game if it had a rapid fire like the Bop It Refresh. And the Bop It Refresh rapid fire sounds a bit like this. Oh, the reset doesn't work. Let's try this one. Well, that's a fail. Let's try the green pen. Sometimes in the test mode you have to wait a little bit before it does something. This reset won't work. Let me get... Well, this pen should work. Well, I'll do it by the battery. So with the Bop It test mode, you have to press this button.
Bop it to start. Bop it to start. 1.36.
And then it's going to go into a beep.
score.
And then it does the rapid fire after you pull it.
Bump it, twist it, pull it, hammer it. I'm going to sleep.
So, yeah, we're struggling to find the rapid fire or manual sound testing mode for the Hyperslide. So if anyone, even any electronic engineer who can take hold of this game and try and figure out the sound testing mode for the Hyperslide, it only does 4 colours so far. Red,
green,
green, blue,
blue,
and yellow.
yellow.
So, yeah, it only does those 4 sounds in the test mode so far. Be pretty cool if we can get some sort of rapid fire going. And, yeah, so thank you for watching this video. And yeah, I'm on a mission to try and find the full sound test mode for the Hyperslide. And what colours are they? They're yellow,
Yellow,
green,
green,
red,
red,
and blue.
blue, blue, blue,
Or you can do this as well. You can make it go like really quick.
blue, 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 blue.
Yeah, you can make it. If I put the bar back on now, you can make it go really, really quick. Like you can make it go blue, 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 like really, really fast. Let me put it on, and then I go like red, red, red.
Red, 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 red.
So yeah, that sums up this video. Hopefully, if somebody helps me find out the full sound test mode for the Hyperslide, I'll put an updated video. So, thank you for watching this special video, and let's go and try and find the full sound test mode for the Hyperslide. None of us at Electronic Games Hub haven't figured it out, so we need like assistance on this task. We need like electronic people who know more about PCBs. Well, if you ask Hasbro through their consumer care team, they'll just be like, yeah, it's proprietary, we can't share it with you. This is proprietary! Okay, so, let's see if someone out there will find me the sound test mode for the Hyperslide. And of course, you just press the reset button to go back into toy mode. So, and it's going, oh wait, this has gone back into test, this test again. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
Choose the game you.
So, yeah, hopefully I will figure out the sound test mode for Hyperslide with help from an electronics expert. So, stay tuned.